Hello, baby viewers, I'm Mr. Who Reviews. And today, I'll be reviewing the Oddparents, Mother Nature. And in this, Timmy's mom becomes a new weather person for Channel 7 since the other two got run out of town because they got the weather wrong and a lot of people wanted there to be good weather so they can go fishing. And yeah, the reason Timmy mom became a weather lady because Timmy and his dad weren't paying that much attention to her. And she got the job because he had to come kissing, not because he's good at weatherologist or whatever the technical term for a weather person is. Hmm. And yeah, Timmy just worried that his mom would get run out of town since yes, he was saying some weird weather stuff like there being a hole in the ground and just saying that it won't be cloudy when the clouds on their board went off, and that's caused a fire with the lights on the set, and saying it's gonna be rain. So what I think this is all his mom's predictions will come true. So he becomes the best weather person uh, ever, and so he got eclipses Chet Betcha as an attractive attractive news person as well. Timmy's dad decides to be both Timmy's mom and dad by having a puppet version of mom and doing a voice for it. And yeah, I have to agree with Timmy. It's kind of creepy. And there was a part when Timmy's right talking to man, but seems like ignoring him and saying not nice. Get a cold shoulder, and Timmy's shoulder actually becomes cold. Yes, he did kind of same thing later, like after that, when saying someone doesn't want to bring him check about his parade or whatever. But that was a weather thing. I think a cold shoulder is an actual weather uh, prediction or anything. So I don't know what happened. Kamo was annoyed that there's no angry mob. Mm-hmm. When TV finally gives his mom a genuine apology, she does forgive him and wants to come back, but says he's under contract and she has a bright idea to predict some weather that would destroy the town. That way, to be run out, destroy town. Yeah, the predictions: a hail size of minivans, a lightning storm, and an earthquake. Yeah, Timmy does try to wish the wish, but one of the things too late. And yeah, I've got mentioned that Cosmo has a wonder puppet as well. I don't know why they try to make both Timmy or Timmy's dad and Cosmo equally as stupid, but still. Hmm. Anyway, I think we were able to stop all the predictions from coming true. First, send up wishing for a trampoline to stop the minivans to come, and then Cosmo wanted to set being a lightning rod for the lightning. And it really does happen a bit, but Tim wishes the town was encased in gelatin brand gelatin, which was introduced a few scenes before this, and brought back up before Tim made the wish. And yeah, all the bats, or some bad stuff happened to Dimsdale actually happened to the neighboring city, Brightburg. Yeah, basically, the version of Shelville from Springfield or Simpsons, whatever. And this is the first and only time they were brought up. You know. Well, after that I'm done, I guess, Timmy's man got fired for the weather prediction, and Teddy Batship comes to a new team and won the anchor again. And seeing Timmy going fishing as he for them later or drink after our day. And for some reason, the angry mob it's just chasing after Timmy's dad who has the man puppet. I I don't know. I think it's okay. The song like sort of appreciate people around you and like Mr. T says be good to your mama and stuff like that. And yeah, some of the weather predictions are just bizarre, but yeah, as your parents. And there is a scene where the three characters say, well, actually four characters say, hey, after the news team shows Timmy's mom the fire woman's uniform or firefighter's uniform. I don't know. And I just wonder how the voice actor for Timmy's dad was able to make the man puppet sound a like it's like he's drinking water as long as he talks. It's I don't know. I think anybody can relate to hating weather people when they get the weather wrong. Yeah, I know I certainly can. And I know they only get right half the time, and I don't trust them, but still, it's their job, and weather can change just like that. So, then we blame them. You still kind of want, but And, yeah, that's it. So that's later.